If you want to create a wallpaper with AI on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we just have to go to Settings, then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to Wallpaper and Style. Then here we can choose Change Wallpapers, and as you can see here we have Create with AI section. You can choose Generative or Creative Studio. If you choose Generative over here, and I assume we need to use a Samsung account to be able to use these features, although I'm not entirely sure. Then over here we have a couple of suggestions. So we have translucent, we have terrain, night, luminous, and mineral. There is also create something new where we can choose one of these categories. So let's say I'm going to choose the imaginary over here. And as you can see, we have a prompt which we can slightly customize. So we have three words or phrases that we can switch. So instead of using lamp, let's say I'm going to choose, let's say a bridge. Why not? Let's say I'm going to choose the bridge. Instead of flowers, I'm going to choose, let's see, maybe stone. And then instead of shades of pink and purple, I'm going to choose blue and indigo. And then we can tap on Generate. Over here, we need to agree to Google privacy policy. So of course, we need to do that in order to be able to generate our wallpaper. And now let's just wait for the result. And there we go. Here, this is how it looks like. As you can see, we have a couple of different examples. If you don't really like what has been generated for you, you can tap on Generate again to get more examples. But in case you find something that you would like to use, you can just tap on the set over here. As you can see, we can choose the lock screen and the home screen. I mean, we can decide to use on these screens. Then we can go next. You should be able to just tap on Done here in the upper right corner, and there we go. Unfortunately, we cannot zoom in, zoom out, or adjust the position. It just comes as it is over here. And as you can see here at the bottom, we have a little watermark. But besides that, we can also choose the Creative Studio. And in here, we can just tap on, well, we have the introduction, so we can generate unique wallpaper that brings your imagination to life. This is how it's advertised. And you can edit one of these examples that we have available in here. So let's say I'm going to choose this one here. And we can tap to view the prompt in case you want to edit it. We should also be able to generate more and more example based on the already created prompt. And if you decide to create your own wallpaper, then of course you can just describe whatever you want to generate. So there we go, this is how it looks like. We can also enable drawing in case you want to draw something by yourself and then turn it into a wallpaper with the help of AI. And also we can include a photo or picture from our gallery. I'm just gonna tap on Generate. And there we go, then we need to wait for the result. And here we have the result. We can still tap on the prompt and we can of course make some changes here and there. We can generate one more. That is not really a problem. But besides that, you should be able to change the style. So before you tap on Generate here, we can change the style of that wallpaper that should be used. So let's say this time I'm gonna use the webtoon and I'm gonna write a similar prompt. And there we go, we have another one. And if you decide to use it, you should be able to, I believe, tap over here. Let's see what this button does. There we go. Actually, we have just a preview. We can still make some adjustments, apparently, or just edit it. We can download the picture and save it in gallery. I'm going to do that. And let's see if we have something more. I thought that maybe we can actually set up immediately. Actually, we can. Yeah, there we go. So we can tap on the Done in order to set up the generated image as a wallpaper. So the rest is pretty much the same. But in this case, we can actually zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the picture or the image. So that's, I guess, an advantage. There we go. There's also the information that it is AI generated. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.